Now in this video we are going to discuss inequalities, and this is the third part of the Algebra 2. You can see the page number 120. Page 120. This is inequalities. What is inequality? We will try to understand first inequality. If I am writing x equals to 1, here I have equality sign. If I will write y equals to 4 minus 2y, this is the equality. Here this is statement of equality. If I am writing x is greater than 1, if I am writing x is less than 1, if I am writing y is greater than or equal to 1, sorry, y is less than or equal to 1, if I am writing p is greater or equal to, this is greater than or equal to, both 2, these are called the inequalities because they are not equal. Sometimes they are greater than, sometimes they are equal to 1. X is greater than 1 means x will have all the values which are greater than 1, that is 1.1, 1.2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And here x is less than 1, that means all the values which are less than 1, x can have those values. Here y is less or equal to 1, it means first thing is y can be 1 and y is less than 1 and less than 1. Here you can see the difference between this. If I am writing x is greater than 1 and I am writing x is greater or equal to 1, in this condition you can see x has the values which are greater than 1. Not 1 is not included. 1 is not included. And here you can see x is greater or equal to 1. First, x is greater than 1, all the values which are greater than 1, and x is equal to 1. This is x is equal to or greater than 1. X is equal to or greater than 1. Here 1 is included. That means x is also equal to 1. This side. These are the two meanings. First, x is equal to 1 and second is x is greater than 1. This once again I will, if I have p is less than 1 and p is less or equal to 1. Here it is not necessary it should be 1, it can be any value. Here it means x has all values which are less than 1. Here this statement means first p is equal to 1 and p is less than 1. 1 is included in this inequality and here 1 is not included. From 1 onwards it will have values including 1. From 1 onwards on the left side of the number line it will have values but 1 is not included. So these are the inequalities because they are not equal. So let's have a look on the example 17. It's page number 120. We have the inequality 4 is less than x is less or equal to 10. And this is the example 17, and in example 17 you can see here we have to solve the inequality first, then show the result on a number line. This is inequality. How to solve this? Firstly हम देखेंगे इसका मतलब क्या होता है. 4 is less than x, इसका मतलब है x जो है वो 4 से ज़्यादा है, 4 से ज़्यादा है, यानी 4 greater than x is less or equal to 10. First thing is I will split it. 4 is less than x means x का वैल्यू जो है वो greater than है 4 से, 4 कम है, and second is x is less or equal to 10. यानी x का वैल्यू जो है वो कहाँ तक जाता है, 10 तक जाता है. 10 included है, यहाँ पे 4 included नहीं है. I can write it x is greater than 4. It is same. 4 is less than x, x is greater than 4. यहाँ पे 4 छोटा है x से, यहाँ पे x बड़ा है 4 से. Only the difference is यहाँ पे understand करो, 4 जो है वो छोटा है x से, यहाँ पे जो x है वो बड़ा है 4 से. Only what I did, if I am changing the less than or greater than, I am also changing the left side and right side. And x is less or equal to 10. हो गया ये सॉल्व. यानी x का वैल्यू 4 से बड़ा है, x का वैल्यू 10 या 10 से कम है. This is the solution of this inequality. Now number line पे कैसे हम करते हैं? First we will draw a line like this. Okay, then you can see what is my lowest number. सबसे छोटा number, that is 4. I will start from here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. मुझे ये शो करना है ये इनइक्वालिटी नंबर लाइन पे. सबसे छोटा वैल्यू x का वैल्यू कहाँ से 4 से 10 तक है. सो ये जो 4 है 4 से 10 तक मैं लाइन लेता हूँ. बट यहाँ पे मेरे को एक चीज अंडरस्टैंड करनी है. ये जो 4 है 4 इसमें नहीं आ रहा है. x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 4, x इज ग्रेटर देन 4. यहाँ पे x इक्वल टू 10 आ रहा है. सो यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसे डॉट डालना है, सर्कल डालना है. और यहाँ पे मुझे ये सर्कल डालना है, शेडेड सर्कल. व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मीन्स ये जो वैल्यूज है x के वैल्यूज है ये 4 से बढ़ के हैं बट नॉट 4, 10 तक है. ये 10 भी है. दिस शोज द x is having also the value of 10. This dotted circle, this open circle is showing it is not 4 is not included in this. This dotted is showing x 10 is included. In a simple way we can see x का वैल्यू जो है वो 4 से ज़्यादा है, 10 से कम है. लेकिन 4 नहीं है लेकिन 10 है. सो 4 नहीं है तो इसलिए हम ये सर्कल ओपन सर्कल डाल रहे हैं. 10 भी है इसलिए हम कौन सा सर्कल डाल रहे हैं? डॉटेड सर्कल, शेडेड सर्कल डाल रहे हैं. इफ आई विल गिव यू वन मोर एग्जांपल. इफ आई हैव 3 इज लेस देन x इज लेस और इक्वल टू 6, ये इनइक्वालिटी शो करनी है. आई विल ड्रॉ हियर द लाइन. देन फ्रॉम हियर 3, 4, 5, 6 and remember there should be equal gap. You should do with the scale. Equal gap रहना चाहिए every interval के बीच में. 3. So x का वैल्यू 3 से 6 तक है. You can see here 3 इसमें include नहीं है. So I will draw here the empty circle. And here 6 इसमें है. So I will draw colored circle. And one more, if this same problem is like this, जो 3 है 3 is less or equal to x. So 3 से 6 तक पहले लेता हूँ मैं. You can see 3 is included, so I will do like this shaded circle. 6 is not included, I will draw here the circle. So this is the inequality we are representing on the number line. It's very simple if you will understand it. Now we will do the example 18. Solve the inequality 4 is greater or equal to 3. 13 minus 3x. अब देखिए कैसे करना है. I will write here 4. ये जो minus 3x है इसको मैं ट्रांसपोज कर सकता हूँ. That's plus 3x is greater or equal to 13. Similarly, what we are doing in the equations, we can do the transposition here. Minus 3x I have transposed here. Why? Because I need x on the left side. मेरे को x left side होना चाहिए, x left side. That's why I am transposing this here. Then 3x is greater or equal to 13. अब मैं इसको transpose करने जा रहा हूँ. It will become minus 4. So 3x is greater or equal to, what is left here? It's 9. So x is greater or equal to, अब मैं this 3 को transpose करने जा रहा हूँ. It will become 9 by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So x is greater or equal to 3. Now you can see the x का value जो है that is equal to 3 or greater than 3. How to show this on the number line? You can see I will draw here the number line. Here I will write here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. कहाँ से x is greater or equal to 3 से start कर रहा है. 3 से start कर रहा है, कोई limit नहीं है. Actually I have not here the top limit. It is greater, it can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and whatever is there we can do that. So that's why I have to put here the arrow. And here you can see 3 is included. So I will draw here the circle, this shaded circle. It means 3 is included in this and it goes on till infinity because x is greater or equal to 3 या 3 से बड़ा. कितना भी होने दो, कोई सा भी नंबर होने दो, we can do it, you can drag it, only we can show it by the arrow, it means it goes till infinity. So this was the example 18. Now example 19. In example 19, solve the equality 5 minus 3x. 5 minus 3x is less than 1. So how to do this? It's very easy. I will transpose the 5 here. So it will become minus 3x is less than 1 minus 5. So minus 3x is less than minus 4. You can see here, यहाँ पे आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना है. फर्स्ट थिंग, इट इज क्लियर, 5 को हमने ट्रांसपोज किया, then we got minus 4 here. Here it's minus 3x, here it is minus 4. In the equations what we did, 3 minus 3x is equal to minus 4, minus minus cancel होता था, 3x is equal to 4 हो जाता था. But here we have to understand the things here. What are the things? I will write x is greater than minus 4 by minus 3. यहाँ पे ये साइड में अगर मैं माइनस निकाल लेता हूं तो मेरा जो इनइक्वालिटी है वो चेंज हो जाता है. अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. जब भी माइनस साइन को हम निकाल देते हैं एक साइड से तो मेरा जो इनइक्वालिटी है वो चेंज हो जाता है. दैट गेट्स चेंज्ड. आई विल गिव यू द प्रूफ. फॉर एग्जांपल minus 4 is less than minus 5. Minus 4 is less than minus 3. I will give you the example. अगर मैं माइनस निकाल लेता हूं, 4 is less than 3. क्या ये करेक्ट है? This is not the correct. You can see here minus 4 is less than minus 3. This is correct. माइनस पर छोटा है माइनस 3 से. अगर मैं माइनस माइनस को कैंसिल करता हूं, मैं लिखता हूं 4 is less than 3. क्या ये करेक्ट है? No, it's not correct. So what is the method? If I am removing the minus, then I should write 4 is greater than 3. Then it is correct. Similarly here, when I am removing here the minus, you are removing here the minus, you are cancelling the minus. For example, directly I will write, I am cancelling the minus on both sides, then 3x is greater than 4. Why? Because I did what? I removed the minus sign. I gave you here the proof why we are when we are removing the minus, we have to interchange, we have to change the inequality signs. So now let's x is greater than 4 by 3. This is the inequality. This is the solution of the inequality. List the 4 smallest integers in the solution test. So here we have to write the 4 integers. Any 4 integers which are greater than, that's 4 by 3, which should be greater than this. X का वैल्यू जो है greater than this. You can check 4 by 3 is like it is 1.4 by 3 is it is some 1.33. So 1.33 से greater than कौन कौन सा भी नंबर है, we can write 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. We have to write only the 4. This is the answer. Understand it. Here यहाँ पे आपको understand करना है. This is very important thing. जब भी हम माइनस माइनस कैंसिल कर रहे हैं, देन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, ये जो इनइक्वालिटी साइन है ये लेस देन है, यहाँ पे ये ग्रेटर देन बन जाएगा. आई हैव गिवन यू द प्रूफ हियर. दिस थिंग यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डू एग्जाम्पल 20. In example 20 we have x is less or equal to 5x plus 1 is less than 4x plus 5. Now you can see here x is less or equal to 5x plus 1 is less than 4x plus 5. This is our inequality. How to solve? I will split this. पहले इन दोनों को करते, फिर इन दोनों को करते. So first I will take x is less or equal to 5x plus 1. So what I should do, this 5x I will transpose here. It will become x minus 5x is less or equal to 1. यहाँ पे बन जाएगा -4x is less or equal to 1. Now you can see here it is -4 को मैं इधर transfer करूँगा. So what will happen? I will write like x, ये बन जाएगा greater or equal to 1 by -4. You got the point what I did here? Understand here. It's -4x is less or equal to 1. So x is greater or equal to, because ये माइनस में चेंज कर रहा हूँ, ये माइनस में यहाँ पे लेके जा रहा हूँ, या वी कैन से मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड्स बाय -1. जब ये माइनस में यहाँ पे लेके जा रहा हूँ, so what will happen? It will become x is greater or equal to, this sign, this inequality will change, so I can write x is greater or equal to -1 by 4. This is the solution of the first part. Now coming to the second part, you can see here I will write 5x plus 1 is less than 4x plus 5. I will do here the transposition. 4x को इधर लेके जाता हूँ, 1 को इधर लेके जाता हूँ. It will become 5x minus 4x is less than 5 minus 1. It is x is less than 4. This is the answer here. This is the solution of the inequality. Now you can see here, understand here. This one you should understand, this one you should understand what I did. First ये और ये मैंने लिया, और इसका solution यहाँ पे माइनस जो आ गया, यहाँ पे आपको understand करना है. यहाँ पे जो माइनस को हटाने के लिए, अगर ये इक्वेशन में रहता -4x इक्वल टू 1, सो मैं लिखता x इक्वल टू -1 by 4. दिस वाज द आंसर. बट ये इनइक्वालिटी है, तो इनइक्वालिटी में क्या होता है कि ये जो लेस देन ग्रेटर देन है, दिस इज लेस देन. व्हेन आई एम चेंजिंग द माइनस, यहाँ पे आप ये साइड में माइनस नहीं रह रहा है, ये प्लस बन रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम चेंजिंग हियर दिस साइड. It is less than, it will become here greater than. Okay, is that clear? I hope it is clear now. Now I have to show this on the number line. Number line में मुझे show करना है. अब देखो x का जो वैल्यू है -1 by 4 से greater than है, और you can see x का जो वैल्यू है वो less than 4 है. I will draw here the number line. यहाँ पे मैं number line बना रहा हूँ. So कौन सा मेरे को lowest number है? That's -1 by 4. I will write here 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. अब देखना मुझे -1 by 4 कहाँ पे आ जाएगा. -1 by 4 यहाँ पे मुझे आ जाएगा. -1 by 4 कहाँ पे मुझे आ जाएगा? That's 0.25. इसका फोर्थ पार्ट, इसको मैं 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करूंगा. 1, 2, 3, 4. सो ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, यहाँ से लेके 4 तक. अब यहाँ पे देखना है कि -1 by 4 is included, so I will draw here the shaded circle, and 4 is not included. I will draw here the open circle, the empty circle. This is the answer of the question. Understand here. -1 by 4 कहाँ पे आ जाएगा? 0 से लेफ्ट साइड में ये पार्ट को, ये हिस्से को, ये इंटरवल को 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. Then I should take this here. This is included, that's why it is dark circle. Now next you can see the exercise 6. It's very easy first question. Let's see the question number 5 in the exercise 6. Exercise 6. What is this? First, here we will see this line. This is the dark circle. So x equal to 0. First thing is x is equal to 0. And next is x is less than 0. X is less than 0. Combining these two, I can write x is less or equal to 0. Is that clear? Combining these two, first x is equal to 0. This is the dark circle here, shaded circle. Next, it goes on like this. So x is less than 0. And here you can see x is greater than 0. X is what? Greater than 0. Sorry, greater than 2. Not 2. 2 is not included. You got it? Understand this clearly. First, x is equal to 0. And x is less than 0. X is equal to 0. X is less than 0. And here you can see x is greater than 0. Not 2 is not included here. So how to write the solution? I will write its solution like this. First thing I can see here, x is equal to 0 and x is less than, this is less than 0. Combining these two, it will become x is less or equal to 0. And also I can write this I can write this 0 is greater or equal to x. एक ही बात हो गई ना, x is greater or equal to 0. Now I am interchanging the position, the sign will change also. 0 is greater or equal to x. Now coming to this second one, I can write and this x is what? X is greater than 2. So combining these two, I can write 0 is greater or equal to x in place of x is greater than 2. This is my answer. Understand it carefully. It's very easy. First you should understand this. X is greater than equal to 0, x is less than 0. So I wrote that x is less or equal to 0. Then I wrote this 0 is greater or equal to x. The reverse of this. When I am writing the reverse of this, ये ऐसे है, इसको मैं ऐसे उल्टा कर दिया. 0 is greater or equal to x. And second, from second, x जो है वो 2 से बढ़ के है, 2 नहीं है, so x is greater than. Now इन दोनों को combine करता हूँ मैं. 0 is greater or equal to x. x तो already लिखा है, then it is greater than 2. This is the inequality. Now the second one, sixth one. Sixth question is, you can see it is minus 3 to 3. Minus 3 to 3. I will write here, it's like this. Minus 3, 1, and 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. This is the number line. And from here to here, here it is empty circle, here it's dark circle. What does mean? It simply means, ये जो x का value है, understand it. यहाँ पे x का value जो है, first thing, x is greater than minus 3. Is that clear? और यहाँ पे अपन देख सकते हैं, first thing x is equal to 0. First thing है कि sorry, x equal to 3, x 3 के बराबर है. And next x is less than 3 है. इन दोनों को combine करके x is less or equal to 3 यानी x 3 से छोटा है और 3 के बराबर भी है. Now इन दोनों को combine करना, इसको मैं लिख सकता हूँ minus 3 is less than x. So दोनों को combine करके लिख सकता हूँ मैं minus 3 is less than x is less or equal to 3. This is the answer. Understand करो अच्छे से कैसे करा मैं. First thing, this is the question. यहाँ से मैं क्या नोट करता हूँ कि ये जो x का वैल्यू है ग्रेटर देन माइनस 3 है, लेकिन माइनस 3 नहीं है, तो मैं ये इनइक्वालिटी लिख सकता हूँ. I can write this inequality. Okay. Now here x is equal to 3 first. दूसरी चीज x is less than 3. दोनों को कंबाइन करके x is less or equal to 3. यहाँ पे ये माइनस 3 इसका रिवर्स लिखता हूँ. So minus 3 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, x यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So ये this sign will change. It will become less than x. Because I am writing it, मैं इसका उल्टा कर देता हूँ, ऐसे कर देता हूँ. So minus 3 is less than. Now ये दो inequalities को लिखता हूँ मैं. Minus 3 is less than x is less or equal to 3. This is the answer of the question. You got my point? Once again, I will solve this same question. I will solve. First, I can write here x is greater than minus 3. Okay, and here I can write x equal to 3, x is less than 3. क्योंकि x 3 के बराबर है. कोई सा भी वेरिएबल ले सकते हैं अपन, x ले रहे हैं. x 3 के बराबर है और x 3 से छोटा है. इन दोनों को कंबाइन करेंगे तो हमको आ जाएगा x is less or equal to 3. अब चूंकि यहाँ पे x ये साइड लाना जरूरी है, तो इसका कन्वर्स लिखेंगे. माइनस 3 is less than x. देन इन दोनों को कंबाइन करेंगे. इन दोनों को कंबाइन करके माइनस 3 is less than x. x is less or equal to 3. x तो लिखा सो है ऑलरेडी. This is the answer. Now we are going to do the seventh one. Seventh one, it's very solid. They will show the result on a number line. Seventh one, what is it? It's x minus 3. X minus 3 is greater than 2. अब इसको सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? सिर्फ x यहाँ पे रखना लेफ्ट साइड में. तो क्या करेंगे? x is greater than 2. ये माइनस 3 को ट्रांसपोज करेंगे, ये तो प्लस 3 बनेगा. x is greater than 5. सो नंबर लाइन को कैसे करेंगे? ऐसे लिखेंगे. हम लिखेंगे इधर 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. तो x ग्रेटर देन 5 है. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना. कोई अपर लिमिट नहीं है तो इधर एरो लगाना है. और यहाँ पे x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 5. x 5 के बराबर नहीं है. सो आई विल ड्रॉ हियर द एम्प्टी सर्कल. दिस इज द नंबर लाइन फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ 10th वन में दिखाता हूँ आपको. नो नाइन्थ वन. व्हाट इज 9th वन? इट्स 4 इज लेस देन 7 माइनस एक्स. देखिए हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे. हम ये माइनस एक्स को ट्रांसपोज करेंगे लेफ्ट साइड में. तो क्या आ जाएगा? इम्प्लाइज 4 प्लस एक्स इज लेस देन 7. माइनस एक्स को ट्रांसपोज किया. सो नाउ 4 को ट्रांसपोज करेंगे. 4 इज लेस देन 7 माइनस 4 बन जाएगा. इसको ट्रांसपोज करते हैं. सो x इज लेस देन 3. x 3 से छोटा है. सो व्हाट आई शुड डू? नंबर लाइन कैसे बनाना है? इट इज हियर 0, -1, -2. इधर 1, 2, 3. 3 से छोटा है तो 3 से छोटा. अपर लिमिट नहीं है तो यहाँ पे सर्कल बना देंगे, एम्प्टी सर्कल. सो 3 से छोटा है, कोई सा भी नंबर ले सकते. दिस वाज द 9th वन. Now 11th one I will do here. 11th one, it's also very easy. 4x is greater or equal to 3x plus 9. How to do it? ये x वाला पार्ट जो है इसको ट्रांसपोज करते हैं. 4x minus 3x is greater or equal to 9. So यहाँ पे x is greater or equal to 9. It's very easy. 9 से बढ़ के x का वैल्यू 9 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. नंबर लाइन 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. तो 9 से स्टार्ट होता up to infinity. But here you need to check x is also equal to 9. So here shaded circle I should draw. That's it. This is 11th one. Now 13th one. What is the 13th? It's 2 into x plus 3 is less than x plus 6. पहले इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. Removing the bracket. 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 3 is 6. 2 should be multiplied to every number inside the bracket as you did in algebra 1 is less than x plus 6. Now transposing. या x को इधर ट्रांसपोज करते, 6 को इधर ट्रांसपोज करते. 2x minus x is less than 6 minus 6. So x is less than 0. So x 0 से छोटा है. So what I should do here? Here I will write 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 0 से छोटा है, like this. Here I will draw the empty circle. This is the answer of the 13th one. All are easy.